Ever feel like you're constantly chasing your tail with your finances? Paycheck barely hits your account before it's gone, leaving you scrambling to cover the next bill. This, my friends, is the dreaded paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But what if there was a way to break free, to have money waiting for you instead of the other way around? That's where the YNAB concept of age of money comes in. It's not about your actual age, though financial wisdom often comes with experience, but rather how long, on average, your dollars hang around before you spend them. Intrigued? Let's dive in and discover what a good age of money is and how to achieve financial time travel, spending today with money you earned yesterday. The age of money mystery unveiled. Imagine your bank account as a waiting room. New income arrives like fresh faces, eager to be assigned jobs, paying bills, funding goals. The age of money reflects how long these new dollars wait before being allocated. A low age of money means you're spending recently earned income, which puts you right back in that paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But a higher age of money? That's financial freedom music to your ears. It signifies you're living on last month's income, one step ahead of the game. Now, unexpected expenses won't send you into a panic. You have a buffer, a financial cushion to absorb life's little curveballs. So, what's a good age of money in YNAB? YNAB recommends a minimum age of money of 30 days. This means, on average, your dollars are chilling in your account for a full month before you spend them. This breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and gives you a sense of control over your finances. But wait, there's more. This 30-day mark is just the starting point. For true financial peace of mind, especially if you use credit cards with grace periods, YNAB suggests aiming for an age of money between 45 to 60 days. This accounts for the time it takes to pay off your credit card balance before the interest kicks in. The age of money advantage, beyond the numbers. The age of money isn't just a fancy number, it's a powerful financial tool. Here's how it can transform your budgeting experience. Reduced stress. Knowing you have a buffer for unexpected expenses brings a sense of calm. No more scrambling to cover emergencies. Better budgeting decisions. When you see the age of money lagging, it's a clear sign to tighten your belt and prioritize saving. Peace of mind. The age of money metric provides a tangible measure of your financial progress. Watching it increase is incredibly motivating. Tips to increase your YNAB age of money. Here's the exciting part. You can actively work towards a higher age of money. Here are some battle-tested strategies. Fund your future first. Before you even think about spending, allocate money towards essential categories like rent, utilities, and groceries. Treat these like fixed monthly bills, even if they aren't technically due yet. Embrace budgeting. YNAB's core principles, assigning every dollar a job, are key to achieving a healthy age of money. Track everything. YNAB's comprehensive tracking helps you stay on top of your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Embrace the waiting game. Don't rush to spend your paycheck. Let it age in your account, building that financial buffer. Remember, the age of money is a journey, not a destination. There will be months when your age of money dips. Maybe a car repair throws a wrench into your plans. Don't get discouraged. The important thing is to keep using YNAB, consistently applying the principles, and watching your age of money climb steadily over time. With consistent effort, you can break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and achieve true financial freedom. Remember, a higher age of money means you're in control, not your finances. So, take charge, embrace the YNAB way of budgeting, and watch your financial future age gracefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.